Hello Facebook and YouTube. Today on How Hugh, I'm going to be doing a little bit of work on my Surface 604 Shred electric bicycle, and I'm going to put a bar end mirror on it. So let me show you how to do that, or how I'm going to do that. Okay, so here's the mirror I'm going to use. I got it off of Amazon. It's by MZS, and it's all aluminum. Looks to be fairly well made. Should be adjustable in a lot of different directions. So let's get started. Okay, the bar end has these little plugs that can come off with your fingers and exposes the hollow end of the bar. So hopefully that shows up. Okay, this has like a collet on it, so that should fit right in there. And I should just be able to tighten it up and be done with it. So, let's see if that's how I want to do it. Okay, what I do want to do is I'm going to go ahead and screw the mirror off so I can get the wrench in there. The mirror just screws off. Okay, looks like about a number 5, so let's try the number 5 on there. There you go. It just takes some torquing on it. Okay, so we may or may not have to loosen that up again to get the exact angle that we want, but it definitely takes some torquing. So the little wrench that it comes with, it's going to hurt your fingers, so get a bigger wrench. Okay, so that does turn on that. That's a number 4. So if you want to change the angle of that, okay. Okay. I'll have to adjust that when I'm actually writing it, but that's the mirror. Out.